33 Cooran Court, Noosa Sound. A river gem, 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms and 2 garages. This beautifully designed home enjoys simply wonderful canal and river views. It has an uncluttered spaciousness and many practical design elements, such as a master bedroom and home office on the ground floor, a gourmet kitchen set between entertaining areas and a sparkling pool. The home flows well. It is light saturated and an individual contemporary design by well-regarded architect Tim Ditchfield works perfectly on this 611 square metre allotment. Situated peacefully in a quiet cul-de-sac on select Noosa Sound, you can easily walk to the fabulous shops and restaurants. There is a remarkable sense of volume in the home with spacious rooms integrated into an open living plan. The family room and 3 more bedrooms are housed upstairs, and with the terraces there is ample breeze and light available. It is an instantly appealing property and could be precisely what you've been looking for. Exclusive agent Jennifer Carr, R&W Noosa.